Alrighty, everybody, we got another new video. We're going to open up 7 hanger boxes of Panini Select Football 2023. This is last year's Select. Looking for golds, looking for 101s. You can get Bryce Young in here. Anthony Richardson. I don't want to cut too deep because the cardboard is so thin, you can go right through. You can get Will Levis rookie cards. Forgot about him. Zay Flowers. Puka Nacua. Absolute mess I'm making. These boxes are not easy to open. You do get black golds in here. All right, come on. I've been opening a lot of this. The hit's got to be somewhere. Let's get these boxes real quick off screen. Here's all of our packs. 7 boxes. Start out with the Zay Flowers on front. Bryce Young on the back. We're going to take that one. Zay Flowers rookie card. Jordan Addison rookie. Cam Smith. Jalen Jones, Odell Beckham Jr., Bailey Zappi, Hubbard, get him a home silver, Drake London, Bijan. Yeah, it looks like we got a dud pack here, minus the Bryce Young and the Mahomes silver. All right, Lamar Jackson, black gold. Mark Andrews, Kyler Murray, nice looking card right there. The black gold, Justin Jefferson, CJ Stroud on the turbocharged. Will Levis, Sam Laporta. Forgot you can get him. Sam Laporta rookie cards. Will Levis rookie leading us off there. Bryce Young rookie card. We love that one. Ezekiel Elliott. Look at that. Puka Nacua. Bryce Young rookie card right there. We just passed. Keanu Bunton, Clayton Tune. Those are the black golds. All right, Cam Smith. All right, and we are going to go through real quick to see all the rookies that we missed, if any, on the parallels. I don't think we did, or else we would have put them down, no? Wow. Thought I was going crazy. We just haven't hit anything. Dorian Williams, black gold, rookie. Sam Laporta on the silver. 2 boxes left. Again, just pure disappointment out of Select. Says you can get all this good stuff. We've opened up so many boxes and we get nothing. Oh, I don't know. They mess up on these boxes. Parker Washington. The black gold. Tyson Bagent. Yeah, I mean, these are really bad. Bryce Young. Zay Flowers. Last pack. Patty Mahomes black gold. Dexter Sr. on the rookie card black gold. Marquise Brown black gold. Ezekiel Elliott. These boxes are awful. And that's going to do it. Thank you for watching.